Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. It is common to forget password for an old WordPress installation. Sometimes clients forget password for their WordPress. Usually you can use forgot password functionality to recover password, but what if you do not remember email associated with WordPress, or you do not use that email anymore, or WordPress installation is at localhost where you cannot receive email? Then you need a way to reset WordPress password easily. If you remember username for your WordPress but forgot password, then this technique is useful. But if you have files access, you can find out username by going to phpMyAdmin. In your WordPress database, users table is named as wp underscore users. WP underscore is default database table prefix for WordPress. This is phpMyAdmin and this is database for my WordPress, and you can see WP underscore users table. You go to this table and click at browse. You will see these entries for users, and user underscore login is username for these users. This method also requires you to have WordPress files access via FTP or web hosting control panel. If you are using cPanel based web hosting, you will need to open your file manager from cPanel or connect FTP to your site. So get the WordPress files access and download your active theme directory. You need file named as functions.php. Every WordPress theme has got functions.php file. Open functions.php file in your code editor. Add one line code at the top of file after PHP starting tag. This is my currently active theme for this website. You can find the theme by going to wp-content and then inside themes folder, and themes folder will contain your currently active theme. In my case, it is experiments. So I want to edit this functions.php file. Open functions.php file in your code editor. Add one line code at the top of file after PHP starting tag. WP set password string WebStylePress, and here will be the user ID integer. We have got 3 users in our database and the IDs are 1, 2, 3. Let's select third user with the ID 3. Refresh the page once. So password has changed. Let's comment this line now, and now try wp-admin. Admin3 is username, password is WebStylePress, login, and we're inside our WordPress dashboard. So this is the password that you will choose, and this is the ID for any user already present in the database. This is the ID column. Basically, we did reset password for admin user with ID 3. Once you are able to log in, make sure to go back and remove that code. Otherwise, it will reset your password on every page load until you remove that code. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.